Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use advanced search on Twitter. So using the advanced search feature via the web. To perform an advanced search on Twitter through your browser, go to the Twitter search page, open Twitter and log into your account. In the search bar, type a basic keyword or phrase and press enter. Number two, click on search filters. After your initial search, you'll see a filters option right under the search bar if you're on a desktop. If you're using mobile, click the three dots and select advanced search from the drop down menu. Alternatively, you can go directly to Twitter Advanced Search. Number two, how to use advanced search fields. Okay, so basically, all of these words, as you can see here, search for tweets containing all the specified words. This exact phrase, search for tweets that include the exact phrase, for example, in quotes. Any of these words, tweets that contain any of the words listed. None of these words. Include tweets that contain specific words. Hashtag. You could also search for specific hashtags here. Any language, tap for a specific language here. Let's go to accounts. So from these accounts, find tweets sent from specific accounts. Enter the Twitter handles, for example, at the person's username. To these accounts, find tweets sent to specific accounts. Mentioning these accounts, search for tweets that mention specific Twitter accounts. Let's go to engagement. Minimum replies, retweets, and likes. All you have to do is to filter tweets based on the number of replies, retweets, or likes. And then last, for dates. So all you have to do is from this date to this date, filter tweets by a custom date range. Tweets posted between January 1 31. Use the since and until dates field to specify specific start and end dates. And I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.